What's up, Goody Gang? So it is December the 1st. So I guess this is the first day of VLOGMAS, I guess. For you guys, my gym. So let me tell y'all. So it was no day 3 of the Delgada. It was a day 2, and I filmed a little bit for day 2, and which y'all will probably see after I make this intro. So yeah, so it was no day 3, but I am trying another sample. So this is the IOSO raspberry. So that is what I'm doing today, and then I will let you guys know at the end of the day how I'm feeling. I'm about to sign in for work, so I'm about to sign in for work, so I'm gonna be editing videos also on my lunch break and everything else. So I'm gonna try to get this video up today, and then I will come back with the part 2 to go with Vlogmas day number 2. Y'all just know how I do, but yeah. I will come back and let you guys know how I like the IOSO tea and everything else. And yeah, and then edit day 2. So it wasn't a day 3, and I have a story time why it wasn't a day 3. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, y'all. So I am on break. Let me just say that coffee got your girl going to the bathroom. I'm back in here, and I've been holding it for a little while, so I'm about to go to the bathroom. Y'all, I feel like it's working. My stomach doesn't feel so, I don't know, but I'm not going to show you guys my body until I go into the full 3 days. So today is actually the first video, which I just uploaded. I filmed that the day after Thanksgiving, November 27th. Another video that I'm about to release, that was yesterday, and when I tried the coffee for the first time, and today is day 2, today is November 28th. So yeah. Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. All right, y'all, so today is day 2 of drinking this coffee. I'm probably gonna tell y'all like a whole thing about this coffee after I get off work, but I just had to come and tell you guys about. I probably gonna tell y'all on break. So yeah, I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys. I got my water, so yeah, I'll come back and talk to you guys when I go on break. So each break, I will tell you guys how this coffee is doing me. My last day on this coffee will be tomorrow because I only had 3 samples. And then hopefully my tea is here by then and my NRG, so I can tell y'all how that went. So I'll catch y'all later. All right, y'all. So day 2 is completed and I feel great. So that is all. So day 2 is completed. My stomach is like still churning. I don't know if, I honestly don't know if, I think it's working, but I just can't wait till I get my other detoxes so I can complete my process. I've been drinking water all day. So yeah, that's basically all I've been doing. About to jump in the shower. I'm ready to get back on this eating good thing. So I'm really trying to work hard on that. My eyebrows, I need to get done because these things are like growing back. I look a mess. I'm tired of looking janky. So I'm trying to work hard on getting everything back up to speed so I can start loving on myself again, because this ain't it. Like, she is not it. And yeah, so that's basically what I got going on, honestly. And I will talk to you guys later. But yeah, today didn't really change anything. So I just have to keep on keeping on. So after this 3-day trial, I think I will go on like little hiatus and work on it by myself, and then come back and give you guys an absolute review, like 1 week, Anywho, I don't know. Y'all know I'm very sporadic with the videos, so I will come back to you guys later with a later update. I will see you guys tomorrow. I do believe I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So this one is gonna be up late, but yeah, my stomach is churning, y'all. Like, whew. I can't wait to see the outcome. I can't wait to see the results. When I start eating healthy, I can't wait. So I'm gonna start like eating more of salads and things of that sort. Maybe that'll help the detox process. So I will let y'all know.